Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a motion picture where you can take a simple picture and convert it into a motion picture like a GIF or a motion one. Okay, let me show you. I'll convert the background, as you can see my wallpaper. I'll convert it into a motion picture. Let me show you. The app is Pixar Motion. Okay, let me show you. You can find it in Play Store. Pixar Motion Loop Photos. As you can see, I already installed it, so it show me to. Okay, let me show you how it works. Open it. Okay, and when you open okay, let me show you. This is a home layer. As you can see, I need to select a picture from this. I select yeah, this one, my present wallpaper. As you can see, and here it is. It's showing because it's my first time. And animations here, animation bottom left, and you can see motion, geometric. Geometric is for premium users, so it is not available for me, but it okay. Motion, pin, speed, erase, mask, unmask, loop. Okay, let me show you how this work. I'm selecting first pin mark. I just need to pin few things which should not move. uh, yeah, pin, and just pinning the backgrounds which should not move as per me, which should be stationary. Yeah, it's like pinning them. You know, make sure they're not moving, like as in the pinning the notification in the pinboard, just like that. And here it is. I pinned it up. It's completed, and I just need to create a mask. For example, if I draw this pink color mask, that area would not be moved. How can I explain to you? Okay, just let me a second. Let me show you. Okay, done. As you can see, yeah, it's let me make it little bit smaller. Erase. Okay, that's not for that one. Yeah, that will do. And zoom out, and I'll create a motion like earth rotating. This, and here, and here, and here. Let's see how this one work. As you can see, the image is created. It's a loop. I just need a little more. As you can see, just a second guys, here near the car, that area is not moving because I used mask. At that place this motion effect won't work. But I need to create little motion at the car too, to keep it beautiful. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, I need to unmask it. Unmask, zoom. Yeah, here it is. Unmask. I need to remove this portion because this is the brightest portion in the image. As I can see, the more brightness is around the car, more stars. It would be somewhat realistic if that background moves too. Again, mask. I should reduce the size too small, and you see, I can see in the top left, I can see where I'm moving. Yeah, done. Even small portions like this one also affects the image, so I should clear as much as possible. And here I am removing all car's background and his background too. Man, I couldn't remove that one. Yeah, done. Zoom out. Yeah, I should create small motion here to zoom off motion. Yeah, As you can see, I'm adding small arrows in middle to make it look somewhat realistic. Motion. Like yeah, earth rotates, it moves in one direction, so I'm just moving it in one direction. It depends on image. If your background is smoky or foggish, you can create different kinds of motion, like in every direction you want. It would be more fun too. Okay, let's see how this one ends. Yeah, I just need a bit more at the car. Okay. I pinned it there. Zoom. I think I must unpin it. Let's see if the eraser use. Yeah, eraser is working on pins. I just need to pin little bit below. Yeah, here. Done. Pin. And I wish I could remove there too those pins background. Yes, set. Pinning again at the inner line. Done. Again to motion. Let's see, can we move from here? These are the portion I wanted to move. Let's see. Man, the head is moving. I wish I could. Okay. I just unmask it. Just a second, guys. At that, I told you every little bit, even a small bit, is out. It could be difficult. We need to clear all. Now let's see. I need a small pin over his head. Zoom in more. Yeah, it's the max. Go to pins. Oh no man, no. I pinned at a different way. Undo, zoom, zoom off, pin, accurate, done. Yeah, it looks nice. Just zoom out to max. Now play. Yeah, completed. Okay, let me save it. Save standard. Yeah, it's not the higher resolution is only for premium versions. Okay, no problem. 720p is enough. Durations, video means it will be 18 seconds. Even if you want more than 18 seconds, you need to update to the premium. I prefer GIF, it's the best. We can't go to the higher because even for that we need premium. Yeah, medium, done. Exporting. Just a second, guys. Yeah, completed. As you can see, it's kind of like this now because it's a small screen. We can see it in gallery. Just a second, let me save it. Yeah, GF save it to album. Yes, I'm enjoying, but not now. I'm going home. Let's see in gallery. Recent. No, it has a separate folder, I think. Let me check Scribble. No, downloads, other folders, and here it is. Pixar Motion GIF. As you can see, let me rotate the screen.